are bringing you 2 new ways to play the game Suspend. Game number 1 is that we have an object. In this case, we are using a plastic cup, and you put it slightly away from the top of the piece that we have up here, and then you're going to start building with whichever piece you want first to try and build so that your piece is the first one to touch the cup while still having all the Suspend pieces stay intact. First person to do it is the winner. You ready?
Yeah!
Awesome!
So that's
Ooh, so he's got a good start. I think to help get a little bit of a angle out here, I'm going to try and do this one. Maybe not quite off center, but just a little bit.
Oh! Hold it.
Didn't even work. Oh, I moved the cup. All right, Grant's turn.
And I'm going to use my... Oh, that might work. Nah, it's gonna probably be like...
Ooh, that actually will be really useful. If it stays. It didn't stay.
If it falls on the cup, would it count?
If it falls on the cup, no, you've got to have it to touch it and stay balanced.
Because that was my tactic.
That was your tactic? That would have been a clever idea. Ooh, that actually with that super long one might just be able to do it. Let's see. Oh, so close.
No,
Let's see if it stays on. So I'm gonna try and
Will it fit?
build one
Oh no.
that goes this way.
No! Oh no. No. It's gonna be a bad idea.
Oh shoot, I can't do that one. I gotta do one more. Ooh, don't fall. Don't fall. Ta-da!
Hey! No!
Touching the cup! So I am the winner!
It's not.
Sorry. So that is game number 1. Now on to game 2.
Sorry, we didn't do it.
We didn't do it. I think we did it and I think I won. On to game number 2. For the second game, you will need 2 dice. The first dice is going to help you determine which piece you use. So in this case, I roll a 3. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. And I know I'll be using the green piece. And then I roll the next die. And in this case, I get a 4. So I'm going to count the 4th notch over. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know that I have to try and suspend my piece with the 4th notch on there. Then he'll go and he'll do the same thing, roll, and that determines which notch you have, and you're going to try and see who can be the normal winner with all of your Suspend pieces gone. That one's the winner. So he's already rolled, so the 6th one. All right, so now roll this die right here, and count the 6th notch over.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, so you gotta put that notch right on the top.
You're not gonna get this one because that's 7.
That would be 7, yep. Which is good, because if you try to put the 7th one on, that would be really hard to balance. Oh! All right, so now it's my turn. The 5th piece over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 2nd notch. Oh, that's perfect. It's right in the center. I think that one's actually gonna stay and give us a good foundation. All right, your turn.
Ooh.
6th one over, and the 4th notch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And then the 4th notch, which means you actually start over the. So this one only has 3, 4. So you start back over. I think you can do it. You put on that side. Hey, built toward you, huh? Good job. Our Suspend tower is coming together. Number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, that's a bit hard.
And the 3rd notch. So 1, 2, 3. I think I'm gonna try and balance the structure out back on this side just a little bit. Ooh, and that one has 6 notches. That's perfect.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6.
He's up for quite the challenge on that one. You can do it.
It was like...
Yeah. Oh no! got it, you got it, you got it.
One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2.
Yay! You get the center one. Beautiful roll. All right, so we're going to keep playing and see who is the big winner at the end. But until then, we have enjoyed having you with us. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.